ugly, messy. And this is what the other side of my room looks like. So this is the idea.
Compare this to the diagram. Like, yes. I call this the autism corner. Look how freaking cool. Yes. Woo! This is prime evolution. Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back. Yes, I got a haircut. Do we like it? Today I thought I would talk you through how I redid my room, reorganized everything. Somehow my room feels bigger, even though there's more stuff in it now. My chatters will know this, but I am someone who will reorganize and redo my room like every 6 months. And I don't mean like buying new furniture. I've just like, this room has actually seen 800 different layout combinations. This is prime evolution. Honestly, it was a 3-step program, to be honest. Like bed, desk, decorate. And at the end, I will do a final room reveal, room tour.
Okay, so here's the before. I know it looks fine, but I just see mess. It's gone past the point of no return with maximalism. It's just there's stuff. So the easiest way to solve this is boom. What is the problem? Find a solution, implement that solution. Okay, that's me. Hello. Problem. Too much stuff. And the stuff is everywhere. Solution, storage. So let's go. First things first, me and Dad came up with a plan. And of course I had to visualize this with a cute little graphic because it's the way that my brain works. We decided to get 3 calyx shelves from IKEA, put them next to each other to create massive under the bed storage, but still make it look cute. So this is the idea. After going through everything and whittling down the amount of stuff I had, I created this little map thing. So when I did it, I already knew where the stuff was supposed to go. I know for a fact that I would have got overwhelmed halfway through doing my room being like, why did I do this? So this way I know where everything's supposed to go. But anyway, let's get on with it. The best way I wanted to do this was to tackle it by sections. So first off, I'm gonna start with this section. Let's get that all sorted. Boom. Oh yeah, you're like, what's those pile of clothes? It's my clothes! I've organized them into bags of where they're gonna go once we start building the shelves. Speaking of shelves, let's freaking build them, mate. And by we, I mean my dad and my brother-in-law. Look at them. Wow. Okay, built. Boom. And this is what the other side of my room looks like. Yay! See, this is where I would get overwhelmed, but I know where everything's going, so thank God for me making that plan. And here we are, putting the stuff in said boxes and watching Doctor Who, of course. Name the episode. That's what it looks like in there. If you're wondering how I can reach down to the bottom, I just kind of stick my head in. Boo! Ugly, messy, sloppy. We need to sort this. I want to make this a dedicated DIY area. With those drawers there, it makes it really hard to get in, so I wanted to like switch that out. Boom! I've got both under there now. Incredible. And it's so much cleaner. Look at my little guys. They're so cute. But yeah.
Let's go to the room tour. I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! Okay, here's the just brief overview, but we're gonna go through everything. So first off, let's start with the back of my door. We have these cute little things that we made a few weeks ago. Check out that video. I honestly really like them. I think they're so cute. I think I want to add more. This is the only messy thing I think that I have, but I kind of need to have it there. And then we're gonna go over to my bed. Wow, it's low-key giving Princess on the Pea. I know. Let's go through it. First off, compare this to the diagram. Like, yes. So we have clothes and stuff in here. We have my CD player and we have vinyls in there, CDs and DVDs. Actually, we have some of my Doctor Who DVD collection next to my Doctor Who board game. Van Gogh art book, vinyls. What your fave? Some of them are really from 2017, so don't look at. We have some books. So all of this goes back pretty far. So I have like layers and layers of clothes, which is cool. Here we have some crates. These are pajamas. This is a little bit chaotic, but it makes sense to me. I feel like it's allowed because you can't really notice. I have, look at this. I got this for Christmas. It's one of those things. Yes. This cool light thing that I got from eBay. Okay, in here we have hair clips, laces and ribbons, hairbands, keys, hairpins, itty bitty accessories. This section, so cute. So that's that bedside section. Then the bed. Ford's listening to some tunes. He's currently listening to this song, which is coming out soon. Guys, unreleased Smidge music. What? We have my CD player on the wall here as well. Oh my god, I forgot to point out my 3DS is here. It's there, guys. We made these together on the first DIY room decor video. And then on the ceiling, we have my vision board. Don't look at it. Hey. Next to my bed, we have my desk. I call this the autism corner. Guys, Can you tell that I like Eve? Like, I don't know. This is kind of like all of my interests in one. It's organized, okay? Over here is like my Doctor Who section. And then these are my Doctor Who journals. Doctor Who video is coming, by the way. I finally bought the whiteboard so that I can do the video essay. These are all of my Doctor Who books. We have my SBS poster up here. I'm really proud of them. And we have like K-pop things and Animal Crossing. Photos of my dad from when he was a kid, because he's such a poser. I say kid, he's like my age here. From like here, it looks like this, but then on this side of the wall, it's all of my concert memorabilia. And then up here, okay, I'm gonna keep this quick in case you don't care. Basically, I have first press solos, so all of the first presses are in clear packaging. The plus limited version, which is like actually probably my most prized possession. Signed One of a Kind album, signed Dal album, and then behind that I have my Loose Ensemble albums as well. And then we have some Chew solo there, and we have Eve solos, and we have a signed Eve solo. Just a general look if you are nosy. Okay, let's move on. We have my Smidge Lore section. So this isn't like, I promise it's not an ad. I genuinely just think these are the coolest things ever. So this is the Lore poster. If you're confused, I have an OC. This is my OC, also called Smidge, on my VODs channel that has my Twitch streams. I've done some streams about my character and the lore behind it and everything. It's supposed to look like a Federation PSA kind of thing. It's cool. If you get it, you get it. Look how freaking cool. Oh, I love them so much. Okay, next, the clothes. This is the area you see all the time. I moved that over here, you saw, because it makes more sense to have accessories here. I know what you're thinking, can't open the drawers. You can open them enough to get stuff out, so like, shut up. So I have my accessories and stuff. Drawers full of things, more clothes, and then shorts in here, shoes, ta-da! All of my most worn shoes. And then above here we have all of my costumes. There's like a bunch of cosplays and costumes and stuff in there. We have my light that I made when I was like 12. Yes! Woo! It's awesome. So we're back here again. I love how clean and tidy it looks. It's never like this. This is it. Yeah! Beautiful.